Alright YouTube, this is Lurch from the Scrapman Industries. I got this microwave here. It used to be a microwave, now it's scrap metal. I'm going to show you how to take it apart. Nothing but the splitting ball right here. Now why would you want to take this apart, you ask? Because there's copper wire in here, low grade insulated copper wire. There's also a transformer right here. These 4 screws hold it on. There's a little bit of tiny motor here, another tiny one up here. Some safety things to be aware of with these things is you have the magnetron that's got some pink powdery crap in there. You don't want that getting in your lungs because it's pretty toxic. California doesn't even like those. You have to pay to get rid of them in California because California's bitch state. So anyway, this is the microwave. I ain't gonna use screwdrivers or nothing because they take way too long. And on this one, you got like Phillips heads, you got torch spits. That's all kinds of crap. I don't want to mess with different tools, so I just got this splitting ball. So let's go ahead, bust this thing open. What I'm gonna do is take it right here, split that case. Then I'm gonna get that transformer exposed, just to get that transformer out. Now that case is exposed, that right there is your transformer. That right there is your transformer. That's your magnetron. This is what you don't want to hit, that's what you do want to hit. All you got to do is hit about right here. It'll break them screws right off. And right there is a little copper winding. This is worth a little bit too. You save them up. That's another little small transformer. Right there is a circuit board for any of y'all that get them circuit boards. That's the other little fan motor. There's another one right there. That ain't even worth my time trying to get that off. So now if you want to split this thing apart completely, right there where it's split, just keep breaking that off even further. And hit, this is sometimes aluminum and sometimes copper. Either or, you want to just bang that down into the opening. I'll see if I can do that here once I finish banging that thing off. Alright, so if you notice, I got the steel off of there. It was pretty easy. I just hit it with the splitting ball a few times. But what you're looking at right here is this steel is like an E. There's steel going up inside of here. What you're going to see when you get these ready to come off is you're gonna see the copper aluminum right here. I normally stick this on a vise or blocks of wood. Keep your vise like, you know, like on these sides, then you just bang down on your material there. I don't have my blocks of wood or nothing, so I'm gonna try it on this curb here. I don't know if it's gonna work too well or not. Let's see how that goes. Alright, so you're gonna get your hatchet for controlled hits. Just sort of yeah. Alright, so with a few more beatings, that's pretty much the copper I got out of there. I did that off camera. There was pretty much like one piece of steel that was sort of bent up, yeah, and this all tangled and stuck in there. Like I said, normally I would do that with a block of wood or a vise or something, but I didn't have none of them, so I struggled a bit with that one. It is what it is. But hey, you don't need no fancy impact guns and screwdrivers and all sorts of none of that nonsense to get these things apart. Just a good old-fashioned splitting mold right there.